Hello, design aspirants. You want to prepare for your exam, and we are back again with our new batch over here, which is called Design Advanced Batch. This batch is specially for your NID, NIFT, and UCED exam. Okay, NIFT, NID, and UCED exam. So, if you want to prepare for NIFT or NID or UCED exam, this batch is for you, 2026 batch. And let us understand the attributes. तो अगर आप excellence की तरफ जाना चाहते हैं बच्चों, or you want to prepare very well for your entrance test, and you want something to be free also, this batch is for you. And let us see the attributes. ये कितने batch किस time के लिए होने वाला है, इसमें कितने days में हम काम करेंगे, क्या क्लासेस का शेड्यूल रहेगा और कब तक हमारा बैच ये चलेगा, इसके बारे में जानते हैं. लेट अस सी दिस. This batch feature is the batch is suitable for the student who are currently in class 12th. तो जो बच्चे class 12th में हैं and they want to also prepare for UCED exam or NID or NIFT exam which is coming in the year, this batch is for you बच्चों. Through this you can prepare along with your studies. इसको हमने इस तरह से शेड्यूल किया है that you could also prepare with your along with your studies, and there will be some PYQs also which we will be solving. Let us understand more about the attributes of this. In 45 days, the batch will be provided and orientation of NIFT, NID and UCED will be built here. तो आपको पूरा ओरिएंटेशन मिलेगा निफ्ट एनआईडी यूसीड का. इसमें आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा मैं बताता हूँ. इसमें आपको सबसे पहले लाइव लेक्चर्स मिलेंगे, देन यू विल गेट PYQs also, previous year questions and their solutions, and you will get more and more inputs from our side. सारे टीचर्स का इनपुट मिलेगा, चाहे वो कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, पार्ट ए पार्ट बी हो. पार्ट ए का मतलब आपका एप्टीट्यूड, पार्ट बी का मतलब आपका क्रिएटिव पार्ट. एवरी एट्रीब्यूट विल बी looked after and it will be resolved. You will not face any issue in solving your GK, maths, English or reasoning paper, and then you will not face any issue in solving the questions which are creative, which I will be teaching you. Okay, so don't worry, just see the attributes here and understand. If you have any inquiries, you can ask in the comment section. We will be addressing it. Let us understand more about the batch here. Now, live lectures will be provided to you on PW Design and Arc YouTube channel and recorded on PW app as well. So this batch is available on the app, and the app link is given in the description box. The batch will be live on YouTube channel, our channel, which is Design and Arc PW. So look into that channel and you will get live lectures and you will get recorded sessions on the app. इसके साथ क्या है, क्लास विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 11th अगस्त. बहुत जल्दी क्लास स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सम स्टूडेंट वर इंक्वायरिंग. क्यों बैच ये लॉन्च हुआ है बच्चों, क्योंकि कई बच्चों ने हमसे पूछा कि क्या हम 5 महीने में या 6 महीने में अपनी तैयारी कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, और हमको कुछ लाइव लेक्चर्स फ्री मिल सकते हैं कि नहीं. तो आपके लिए हम स्पेशली लेकर आए हैं ये बैच. ये बैच आपको बहुत बेनिफिट करेगा अगर आप क्लास 12th में हैं and you want to prepare also. But this batch is not only for class 12, this is for everyone. Everyone can join. It's not especially for class 12, but keeping the mind of the students as they are also giving their examination of their board examination. That is why this batch is launched. Let us understand more here. Now, with this, there is a surprise for you, bacho. Surprise is you will get PYQ series from us, and we will be covering everything which is related to NATA, BARC exam, JEE Mains Paper 2A, जिसमें बहुत आपको इशू आते हैं. Many students, they are struggling in JEE Mains Paper 2A, and that is why this batch is launched. Let us understand this series also Q&A series है, मतलब क्वेश्चन भी मिलेंगे और आंसर भी मिलेंगे आपको यहाँ पे, जिसमें हम सारे PYQ सॉल्व करेंगे, आपकी स्किल बिल्ड करेंगे और आप बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं अपने एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में. सो इफ यू आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर दिस बैच विच इज एक्सक्लूसिवली फ्री, यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट. सब कुछ फ्री में मिल रहा है बच्चों, बहुत बेनिफिट मिलेगा आपको इफ यू एनरोल इन दिस बैच. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड मोर अबाउट दिस. Now, this batch is suitable for the students who are currently in class 12th or droppers. जिन्होंने ड्रॉप ले रखा है उनके लिए भी है, जो क्लास 12th में उनके लिए भी है. Who are preparing for NATA JEE Mains Paper 2A in 2026. If your target is 2026 and you want to beat the entrance exam in next year, this batch is for you. You will learn everything which is related to the basic. आपको सब कुछ बेसिक से सिखाया जाएगा, चाहे वो मैथ्स का हो, इंग्लिश का हो, रीजनिंग का हो, चाहे वो जीके का हो बेसिक, चाहे वो डिजाइन का हो, चाहे वो हमारे फाइन आर्ट्स का पार्ट हो जो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में आता है, आपके क्रिएटिव क्वेश्चंस, everything will be dealt from the base and we will create a good building out of it. अगर बेस अच्छा है तो आप बहुत अच्छी बिल्डिंग बना सकते हैं. That is the reason this batch is for you. Next thing is class starts on 11th August on every Monday. So every Monday you will get classes. This is how you can manage the whole week. Monday की आपकी क्लास होगी, आपको पूरे वीक काम दिया जाएगा, उस काम को आपको रिव्यू भी मिलेगा उस काम पे. This will be coming on Monday. And then next Monday, you will get reviews on your work as well. So don't forget to join the batch. It's a golden opportunity. बार बार ऐसी opportunity नहीं आती है. इसका पूरा पूरा advantage उठाइए and beat the entrance exam. Now we will understand one more thing here, that if you are opting for all these entrance exams, you need to build some attitude. That attitude can be developed by somebody who is struggling or maybe working hard and don't get the direction. PW has bought this batch for you to get direction, for you to get right guidance and beat the entrance exam. So take all the advantage which is possible. I am looking forward to teach you. I hope that you are looking forward to learn from us also and beat the entrance exam and come out as a winner. All the best, bachcho. Join us in the coming batch and we will be live on Monday. Let us see who all joins and see the enthusiasm, and let us begin this batch with good success and make us proud and make your parents proud. Make your career, bachcho. Join us in the batch. Thank you so much.